Let's build off a previous video where we learned how to make a point rotate, but this time we're going to connect the point to the origin with a line and create a rotating vector. Now, whenever you want to rotate something, sine and cosine are going to be involved. So we're going to start with, in parentheses, cosine of A, comma, sine of A. A stands for angle here. You can use whatever letter you want. It doesn't have to be A. I prefer this to be in black as opposed to green. And then A is our angle. We just want to make one full revolution on repetition. So we just need to go from 0 to 2 pi. Now to type out pi, you type in pi. The step will be 0.001. That'll make it nice and smooth. Go to the animation properties here and let's just make this go in the forward direction. So if we hit play, this point will rotate counterclockwise indefinitely. Good, another parameter I want to put on here is r for radius. So put r before the cosine and before the sine, add a slider, and I'm just going to go ahead and make this 5. Now when you create this parameter, it creates a drag point. I don't like those. I'm going to turn them off. So I turn off that drag right there, and now it's back to being a normal point that is rotating with a radius of 5. So now we want to connect this point to the origin. So just copy and paste the very top code, and after each R, we're going to put a T. RT, RT, and it'll probably give you a different color, so you can change it if you want to be consistent. And it's going to go from 0 to 1. We don't want it to go from 0 to 2. I mean, you can if you want, but that's going to make it twice as long, or you can make it go back in the opposite direction. But if you keep it from 0 to 1, it'll connect to the point and hit play. And now not only do we have a dot, but we have a vector that is rotating with it.